Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! The engines are looking forward to seeing what you can create. Choose which blueprint you'd like to build. Ready, set, build! Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. You'll need to paint another terrain to complete this train set. Magnificent landscape! You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You're a most useful engineer. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. Did you hear that? Congratulations! What a fantastic train set! It's time to open your surprise. Tap. You earned a new mini, Hero Thomas. You can use your finger to rotate the object. Hero Thomas. Spooky Thomas. Classic Thomas. You found a golden gear. Only 2 gears left to get your reward. There are no more engines. Classic Thomas. Hero Thomas. Spooky Thomas. Classic Thomas. No more engines on the track. Do you want to help me find a new treasure? Just drag a block over the grid with your finger and let it go. Hero Thomas. Classic Thomas. Clear the tracks! Engine coming! If you'd like to stop to look around, pull the big handle. The engines love that sound. Hero Thomas. Clear the tracks. Engine coming. Here comes the golden gear. One last gear will get you a surprise. The engines love that sound. Clear the tracks! Engine coming! The engines love that sound. Clear the tracks! Engine coming! There are no more engines on the track. Diesel's Enchanted Valley. Explore the Enchanted Valley pack with Diesel. Can you uncover the mysteries of this enchanted medieval world? This is your collection. It shows you the items you have yet to find inside surprise bags and the ones you already own. Ready, set, build! You've collected all the available surprises. You've no new toys. Take a tour downtown with Toby the Tram Engine. Visit the fire station, drive past the hospital, and deliver the mail along the way. In a busy city, anything can happen. The engines love that sound. Clear the tracks! Engine coming! You can swipe the shelf side to see all the exciting blocks you can use.